What is up? What is up? It's Crazy1870. So I kind of want to go over a little bit on my thoughts of the Series 6. Hopefully this video is going to help you guys kind of make up your decision. I know I've been getting a lot of questions lately, but I love it. I love the fact that you guys ask me questions, and I just love to help out. So hopefully this video will kind of clear some of your thoughts and make you guys kind of make the right choice or decision on what you guys want to get. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video of the Series 6 product red and also the blue color. Hopefully that gave you a little bit of a closer look in regards to the models and the colors, and also the the SE model. So when it comes to the Series 6, there are going to be a couple features that separate the Series 6 and the SE, and the first ones that really stand out are the colors. So you got the product red, and you also got this blue color, which again are only available on the Series 6. So those are some of the ones that are going to stand out and are going to kind of keep you in the middle and stuck on which route you want to go. Obviously, if you want a specific color, you're going to want to jump, or you're going to have to jump with the Series 6, not with an SE. But again, you're going to have to really want a specific color, like this blue really badass one right here, or even a red one that I also have a video on. Now, me coming from the Series 5 model, Nike edition right here, pretty banged up. Now I wear this every single day for work. So there's a couple differences that I seen rocking the Series 6. It does have a little bit of a better battery life. Was it huge? A big difference? Probably not. A little bit of a faster performance on the Series 6 coming from the Series 5. Was it like a wow difference? Probably not. It really wasn't. Once again, another difference that I seen obviously from the Series 5 is, again, I just talked about that, and that is the colors. The product red color, which is really dope, and also this blue color, which really caught my attention. Now, coming from the Series 5, does it make me kind of want to just pull the trigger on a Series 6? Honestly, the only thing that would make me jump from the Series 5 to a Series 6 will probably be just because of the color of the actual body. Other than that, it really doesn't want me to pull a trigger on a Series 6 because I already have the Series 5. So with the all new Series 6 model, you do have a brand new sensor that comes only on the Series 6. And with that being said, you have the all new blood oxygen sensor, which I have tested out. Now, I know I had a couple questions in regards to my tattoos on my hand and on my wrist, and does it affect the performance or some of the features while having tattoos on my hand? Honestly, it really doesn't. My sensors worked well. The blood oxygen sensor, honestly, it didn't trigger a couple times, obviously, when I tested out. So sometimes it fell, sometimes it doesn't fail. But again, I don't know if it's because I'm not fully relaxed on the table. Maybe it could be because I'm tense. But again, it works. It worked. I tried it out a couple times. Sometimes it failed, sometimes it didn't. But again, I think that it's mostly because I'm not 100% relaxed in order for it to do the reading. Same thing with the ECG, which obviously it tracks your heart rhythm with your finger. You pretty much activate the app and you test it out, and it'll pretty much kind of read your heart when it comes to the ECG app. Again, I didn't have no issues with my tattoos or my tattoo on my hand or on my wrist or anything like that. Now, as far as the performance when it comes to my fitness, same with the Series 5. I didn't have any issues when it comes to having tattoos, it having an issue, it not working. Same thing with the SE. When it comes to tracking my fitness and my heart rate and all that, again, I didn't have no issues with me being inked up or anything like that. So again, hopefully that will answer some of you guys' questions. So if you're tatted up or anything like that, you're not gonna have to worry about it not working or anything like that. So hopefully that helps some of you guys that were asking that question in a comment. So coming back to the Series 6 now, those are some of the new features that separate the SE with the Series 6. Now to me personally, it's all cool. Like, it's all cool and dandy, the fact that it has a blood oxygen sensor and ECG app that will read those readings for my health. Now, do I see myself actually using them on a daily basis or just even taking advantage of them? Absolutely not. Not to me. I just don't see myself using it at all. So again, this is where, if it was me and I had no Apple Watch, I would probably jump with the SE model, because again, I'm just not gonna fully benefit from the blood oxygen sensor or even the ECG app. So again, that saves me money in my pockets. I would still be happy not having those features with the SE. So another feature that separates the Series 6 with the SE is the always on display. You don't get that with the SE model. Now again, does that really want for me to pull the trigger on a Series 6? Not really. Honestly, to me, I will still be 100% fully happy and find the watch useful if I were to go with the SE model. Now, you really gotta kind of have to ask yourself if you're gonna really take full advantages of the features that come with the Series 6. And if not, then you're probably better off with the SE model. Now, you also get these cool little bands, which they're really cool. Now, to me, I kind of messed up. I should have went with the smaller size, but you know, these are a little bit larger. So if whatever size that you got on that paper ruler, always go one size under, because it's probably gonna fit a lot better. They kind of have to be a little bit snug, but this is kind of a little bit too loose. But again, hopefully that give you a pretty good idea of the Apple Watch models that are available as of right now. To me, honestly, like I said, some of the things that really catch my attention are mainly the colors on the Series 6 model, but coming from the Series 5, it really doesn't want me to sell this, lose money on this, just to jump on a Series 6. Now, you still get all the cool little watch faces and all the other features that come with the OS, no matter what model you get. But again, those are just some of the main features and differences from the Series 6 and the SE model. So let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. Don't forget to check out the two latest videos and let me know which model that you end up going with, or what you guys think of the just Series 6 models. Don't forget to check out the site lunitech.tv.com, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Later.